What are you reading, Zachary?
That's Mommy.
It's
Mommy.
our stay home day because of our fourth
That's Mommy.
blizzard of the month.
You're no longer Lindsay Lohan. You're Cameron Diaz.
Oh, okay, I'll take that. It's Groundhog Day, and Ben has decided to make a little resting place right here in the living room dining room next to Daddy. And it looks like he's snuggly. And Zach decided he needed to read The Week to settle down a little bit. Zach, what you doing?
Magazine.
What do you got there?
Another book.
Another book? Oh, one at a time, Zach. Put one back. Go ahead, put one back. One at a time. You got two there. What's it going to be, handyman or renovating? Remodeling. Oh, okay, put that one back. You got it.
He wants handyman.
Yeah, he wants handyman.
I bet it.
Whoa, careful for that chair. What is it? You hurt yourself. Here, look at Mommy. I'm going to take a... Are you recovered? Ben, he brought you a book to read.
This is the front porch that he's looking at. He's on page 1. He's on page 2.
He is.
2,
Okay.
4, 5, 6, and 8.
Great work, guys.
6 and
Hey,
8.
Zachy, look up at me.